Today we'll show you how to create account in GitHub. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, now go to here to github.com and now go to sign up. Okay, here now you can open automatic here to continue with Google or with Apple. Okay, but now we need to just click here. If you want to do this, you can. Okay guys, just click to example this and click to your Gmail and continue. Finally you have an account, but now we need create with a mail and just now do truth 001. Okay guys, like this, and now we will put a password like this and like this and like this. Okay, now we will now we will put I think a username like LEGUTO guide. Okay, and here Denmark. Okay, and here email. Okay, now click in your create account button, click and wait, verify your account, wait a few seconds. Okay, verify your browser, and now verify your account, verify abuser. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is abuser. Okay, just I will verify that. I will back. Okay guys, I done it, and now verifying. Okay, save. Okay, now to go to your Gmail and do this GitHub and like this and like this, copy and continue. Now just click to sign up, and we'll have an account here in GitHub, and we have a most something we can do it like a Visual Studio with Couplet and with AI, with GitHub in desktop, and with other teams. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.